how to change the test ordering on the homepage. So as you can see right now, the adult diagnostic and D15 are first, then the senior diagnostic, older children, then color vision testing made easy. Let's pretend though that you want to do the adult diagnostic, but then you want color vision testing made easy placed right here. Well, it's simple enough. All you have to do is go visit settings, enter your password, and click OK. Then click on test ordering. Fantastic. Now find your pediatric color vision testing made easy and press that up arrow. Let's do it one more time. And now you'll notice the adult diagnostic, D15, and then the pediatric color vision testing made easy is second. You can now go back to your take a test page and take a look. The adult diagnostic and color vision testing made easy is second now. Thank you so much for visiting Waggoner Diagnostics. We appreciate your time and we look forward to helping you however we can. Enjoy the rest of the week. Bye-bye.